Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, we're going to go over the difference between the LifterLMS Edit panel and the Course Builder. So for new users to LifterLMS, if you head into Courses on the admin sidebar here, you'll see when you hover over the course, there's a couple of options. So if I hover over this course, I see I can go into the Builder, Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, View, Clone, or Export, and the two confusing ones can be Builder and Edit. So the main difference is that the Edit is going to be the settings for the entire course. If you see, I'll open that up in a new tab here and show you what this looks like. This will be the course itself and everything that's in there from the syllabus to however you want to build this out. And you can set things like status and visibility and manage enrollments and sales pages from the course edit screen here. As you can see in the bottom corner of my screen, I can also head into the course builder from here, but let's go in from the panel here. So if I go into the course builder, you'll see this is a different setup here where I have sections and lessons I can add in. So this is where you actually build out the course outline and the lessons themselves. In the course builder, this is pretty much your syllabus outline, and you can build it out with sections and lessons here. And this is also where you can open lessons in the editor to edit the lessons themselves. And you can edit the title of the lesson from here. We'll just call this lesson title. And when we head into the lesson, we can build it out with Gutenberg or Elementor, whatever page builder you're using, to add in your content for the lesson itself. That's where you'll want to go to edit lessons. So to sum that up, the course editing screen allows you to edit general course settings, as well as the main course page and track things like enrollments. And the course builder itself allows you to build out the syllabus for the course and edit things like lessons and sections and how your course is put together. Hopefully that helps explain everything with the difference between the editor and the builder. Feel free to drop any suggestions for future videos you want to see down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.